Hey traders, welcome to the Missed Trade Daily Report. Hopefully everybody had a great day today. We had good range again today, 23 point range in the ES, which is outstanding. We had good two-way trading today. As you can see here on the daily chart, we did after we tested that 1110 area in the Globex session the other day, we found legs and we've been rallying it ever since. I suspect, unless Bernanke has some nasty news to talk about on Friday when he speaks, we could rally up into that 1200 range possibly. I know a lot of people are sitting at that 1200 range just waiting to get short again to see if we break out new lows. So we'll see if we can get up there. Let's take a look at the shorter time frame here in my 10-minute. Another great morning here. We saw a little head fake to the south, which may have gotten some people short early in the morning, and then of course it was nothing but rally. And what I mean by two-way trade, we rallied all the way up into that 74 area, and then of course we just absolutely dumped and sold off, and we couldn't break out the low at 53. We had sort of a double bottom down there at 1153, and then again we rallied, and it was not a real strong rally. It was more like a grind. And then we had this beautiful, one of my favorite setups is this wedge triangle pennant, however you want to describe it. It's a great setup, a breakout and a pullback into this area, and you got a nice run to the close. And of course we finished up here at that 1176 area, which we identified the other day. So 1176 was the high. Let's talk about that and the areas above the 1176. We still have the 1180, which is the weekly R1 up there. We also have the 1189.50. That was a gap from August 18th. And by the way, we did fill the 1176.50 gap that we had today, well, actually by one tick. Which was nice. We also have at 1206.75, we have last week's high at 1206.75. Those are a couple good targets for the upside. On the downside, well, we have a couple areas of interest. Well, first we have this breakout area right here at this 1160 area, 1167.50 area. I'm having troubles talking, I apologize. Watch that area. Now if we break down below that and start trading in this zone right here, this 1167 down to the 1161 is what I'm going to call chop zone. We got to trade below the 1161. If we trade below 1161, we should go test those lows at 1153. Okay, if we break out the 1153.50s, guys, we have a lot of real estate down into that 1118 area. Okay, however, we're going to see some chop right in here, so be very careful. Right now the path of least resistance is on the upside until we get down below this 1161 area. Okay, if we get really weak, we know our levels down there at 1118. We also know the levels down at 1110, and of course the 1095 area. So that should give you a few levels. Tomorrow we have jobless claims out at 8:30 a.m., which is Eastern Standard Time. And again, mark on your calendar, Ben Bernanke is going to be speaking on Friday, and we also have GDP numbers. Tomorrow I am heading out of town. There will not be a video tomorrow night. However, there is another video tonight, which is we're rolling out a series on trade plans. I always talk about it. Follow your trade plan. Okay, it's very, very important. Make sure that you have a trade plan. If you don't, be sure to catch these videos. They'll walk you through how to develop a trade plan and hopefully start to become consistently profitable. So anyway, for that, guys, hope you guys trade well tomorrow. Watch your levels. They are very important. They act as magnets, as we saw today. I suspect we'll see some tomorrow as well. So take care, trade well. We'll see you then.